Hello, it's Miriam speaking here. Long time, very long time indeed. It's more than a month that I haven't been doing any video. Oh, sun is gone. Okay, Dad is at the back. I hope he doesn't bark because I want to talk. And our plane is crossing because I live nearby City Airport. I am in my back garden. I have been working hard to make everything very nice for the summer, like new plants. I have the beautiful. It's a lavender. It's an English lavender. I want the smell around me. I have a big one, lavender tree at the front, but I want the English one because it's more, scented. It's more strong. And I'm gonna keep here on my table. So yes, it has been a long time without doing any video. I have been very busy preparing for the summer, planting and studying and doing new instruments, going to some ceremonies also, preparing myself for the next step. Yes, I have been guided to do different stuff now, stopping old ways of doing things and starting new ways of doing things. So yes, it has been very busy time, a lot of challenges and giving up, absorbing new stuff and embracing new ideas. Fantastic. So I want to show you, I'm doing this video because I want to show you some of the instruments I have been guided to prepare. This is my old one. I don't know if you remember. I just make it easy for me to play. So yes, this sound now is a little better because I just but it's not great, but it's better than before, because this is a small one. I like there is many, I think I talked about this before. There is many different types of sounds that you can do, depends of the situation and what you're trying to draw to you. So yes, if you want something more happy, you do like the, if you want prepare for some battles. Yes, you are saying to the enemies, I'm ready. Or when you want someone some guidance, etc., then you call them to you. Yes. So yes, I have been improving this one. This one I created myself. Yes, this is good for to cleanse your energy around, the chakras. It's very nice. It helps to cleanse, helps to improve, make it bigger. It's very good, and you can feel when you can feel the movement of the energy around you when you do it. It's very easy to do. Well, if you have the the hands to do it, and the creativity also. I did it myself. I went to the forest nearby my house that I have been talking about. I go often, and I from a trunk that were already on the floor, already. Then I just choose the perfect, perfect for me, yes, for this, for the use I'm gonna do, and then I fit crystals, to draw more energy to it. Another crystal here, and I have another one here on the foot, and another one here. And the feathers to remind me about the nature, you know, about the animals that I have to protect with my prayers and my songs. So yeah, the feather on the instruments, on the shamanic instruments, the shaman instruments just represent Gaia itself, the beauty of Gaia, the perfection of Gaia. Birds are messengers, and when I use feathers that has been, you know, collecting from the places, I'm saying to Gaia, they are very important and I care about them, and I'm gonna pray for them and protect them. Yes, this is a beautiful one. Is from my elder tree. Yes, from my elder tree. And I have woods here also. This is wood, okay? This is wood. And of course, the sea. The beautiful sea, the mother Iemanjá, you know, the one that protects the newborns. Where you came from also, because you all came from the sea, from the water. So yeah, this reminds me about my ancestors. Yes. The other one, I use this one to raise up the energy and cleanse and you know. Yes. And I have another one also that's for energizing. Again, you see, feathers here, wood here, crystal here. There is a crystal, there is another crystal here, and there is another crystal here, and another one here. And this is also for cleansing, for summon energy, you know, to open rituals. This is very good to open rituals around yourself also, for protection, you know, summon energies, etc. So that's another one, another triangle, yes. Also elder tree. It's very dried already because I collect them when, you know, from the forest I have nearby. And also this one I bought it and then I make it different, putting the, you know, the feathers. So this is very nice also. This one is very nice for you to do noise, etc., to summon, to call for your ancestors. In shamanic rituals, they use it a lot. Okay? They use it to open the circles. They use it to open the ceremonies and to close the ceremonies. Yes, this is done by leather. This is you know, and inside the seeds, dry seeds, and the wood. I don't know what wood is that because I bought it, so I don't know. The person that did it left a mark here. Okay. Is a shaman person here in England. So I bought from the internet. And of course, my beautiful baby, another one of mine. That's a big one. Yes, that's a big one. Look, I bought just the drum, and then I did it myself. So it's feather, wood, and crystals. Okay, the crystals are hanging here. You see, everyone with a meaning for me and for my ancestors, etc. So that's a beautiful sound, you see. So that is gonna be part of my ceremonies now. Yeah, there is many sounds that you can do when you have a drum. I'm gonna tell you something. The path of a shaman is not easy. Not easy. But it's rewarded. Very rewarding. It's not rewarding just because of the protection you have, the love you have from Mother Nature, the response you have from the beauty of Gaia, response in every way, financially, spiritually, emotionally, is very rewarding in every aspect of a life. The connection you have with the earth, with the air, with the water, fire, is fantastic. You can't control Gaia, but you can interact with Gaia. If you love Gaia truly in your heart, and if you love nature, if you are here because you love being here, and you interact with this interaction with the universe, interaction with the plants, interaction with the earth, don't be afraid of putting your feet on the soil. Don't be afraid in having, walking in the earth, feeling everything, embracing, taking day by day. You don't need to think about what's going to happen tomorrow. Another day I had a friend of mine. He asked me, what is your plan for future? I have to laugh. Okay, I do have plans for my near future. Okay, I know what I'm going to do tomorrow. I know what I'm going to do for next week. I am planning. But for long future, I don't have any because I don't know. I don't know what's going to come tomorrow. I don't know how I'm going to feel in about a month's time. I don't know. So I'm taking time to do step by step, walking step by step. And then I'm going to say, okay, Miriam, you are doing it because you are already, retired, because you don't have kids, small kids anymore. You don't need to work so hard to, to make ends meet, ends meet. But no, it's not this, because I still have my bills to pay. I still have my house to maintain, because I am the main provider still. I have a big house to keep track on, and I now I'm looking at the plant there, and I forgot to put some water in that one. So I have to do it later. So yes, be responsible like this in every single details. I'm very responsible with my plants. I'm very responsible with the animals I have in my house. I'm very responsible for my bills. I'm very responsible for people that come to my house. I'm very responsible for everything. But I have the help of Gaia 100%. I have the help of Mother, of my spirit guides, of my ancestors. I talk to my plants every day. I talk to my ancestors every day. I say good morning. I say good night. I talk to the water when I am having my shower. I talk to my things when I'm doing my foods. Blessing everything, blessing the water, blessing the food, blessing the plants, blessing my neighbors, blessing everyone, blessing the earth when I am walking on it. This is the connection a shaman have to have. And if you wanna run this path, just put your heart on it. Just love Gaia. Just embrace your reality, doesn't matter what reality you have got, if you bless your reality, then you are blessing your future, you are blessing your steps here in earth, and you are saying to the universe, I am ready. I know I am ready because I'm doing, I am proactive, doing everything. And I was listening to someone yesterday, and then she said that people wants to be blessed financially, but they don't know how to do it. They don't know how the process. They don't know the technique to do it. And one of the things that she said is, she always said, are you saving something every month or every week? Depends how you receive your salary. Are you saving? But I don't have any. When I pay all my bills, when I my commitments, I don't have anything left. And then she said, have you got 10p on you? Have you got 50p on you? Have you got £1? If you put every week £1 in a box, you are saving. You are saying to the environment, you are saying to the universe, you are saying to Gaia, I know how to handle because I have the savings. You give them the what I'm gonna say this, the signal that you know what you are doing, that you have the desire to save for something else, You don't need to save for a long future, but save for something that you want to do tomorrow. Save for your holiday. Save for your children's go to university. Anything. If you start with £1 every week, or 20p every day, then in the end you are saying to the universe, I know how to do. If you give me 20, or if you give 50, next week I'm gonna say 50p. And when you do the 50p, if you give me a little more, you save £1. Do you understand? It's a bargain, but it's a positive bargain that you are doing with the universe. So don't say that you can't save, because everyone can save at least 10p, even a bag in the street. If they want to have a tent to sleep underneath it and don't be on the rain, they can save 50p every money that they receive in the street. If they save 50p, at the end of the day, they're going to have the money in 2 months' time to buy a tent. Do you understand me? Is what you have to be proactive in everything you do. Okay, this video is taking a little longer. I was not planning to do so long like this, but anyway, I hope you understand what I'm saying and take it to your heart and work on it. And this example that she gave yesterday, when I was listening to it's applied for everything in life. It's applied for your relationships, it's applied for your kids, it's applied for your work. Understand? If you give a little more, for example, if you go to work and then there is some people there that is bothering you and you're being bullied, etc. If you put love instead of hatred and instead of saying something back, if you shut your mouth and pray for that person, just a little, just feel it here. Bless her, God. Give her something to do. Give her some happiness so she can forget about myself. Because everyone that is rude and aggressive, etc., is because they have some problems in themselves. So they are, putting it on you, because everyone is mirror of each other. I am mirror of people around me. So if someone is behaving like this, that means you are mirroring it also. So if you cleanse your mirror, then she's gonna look at you in a different way. Okay, God bless you, keep you safe, and thank you for watching. And if you like my videos, just subscribe. Okay, bye bye. Thank you very much for your help and for your understanding and your patient to listen to me. Okay, with my accent. Okay, bye bye.